Hi friends, welcome to airdrop spot and welcome to Particle Testnet. To begin this testnet, we are going to visit pioneer.particle.network. I am going to tap on that sidebar menu by the right, and then I am going to tap on join to join this testnet. Now I am going to choose my means of connection. So here is one thing that you need to note. Whichever means of connection that you have chosen to join this testnet with, either with Discord, Twitter, your MetaMask or your Bitcoin wallet, whichever one that you choose at this point is the same means that you must be using to connect with this website later. And that is because whichever means that you have chosen now, a universal wallet will be generated for you. Okay, so if you choose another means another time, another wallet will be generated for you and you won't be able to keep up with all of your interactions on the previous wallet. So you have to keep to the same means of connection. So what I have done so far is I have connected my Twitter, and then I have to check that captcha. It is now showing success. Then I'm going to follow Particle on Twitter. Then the next step is to connect my Discord. Tap on authorize. I'll go back and then tap on join now. But first I have to check that captcha. Although I am previously in Particle Discord server, so I just need to follow the prompt, tap on join and then go back to the website. So I'll tap on accept invite. I won't bother to do anything else. I'll just go back to the website. Now at some point you are supposed to see a prompt for you to enter an invitation code, but I did that previously before making this video. So I'm going to leave the invitation code in the comment section for your convenience, and I'm also going to leave it in the description of this video. So this is the wallet address of the universal wallet that has been generated for you. Then tap on launch. So once you are here, tap on get party points. There are a couple of tasks that are available for you to do, and some of these tasks are actually repetitive. And the first of the task is daily check-in. You have to come here and then tap on check-in daily. So I'm going to tap on check-in. Now you will take note that available universal gas is showing 0 USDG. So this check-in is not going to go through. And then you can see I have gotten an error prompt. So what do I need to do? I'll go back to the task and then I'll move over to task 2, which shows deposit universal gas. Depositing universal gas simply means that you want to deposit ETH on any chain over to Particle Testnet. So there are a bunch of chains here that you can deposit from, but for the purpose of this video I want to use Optimism Sepolia. So I'm going to head over to Optimism Sepolia Faucet. To claim Optimism ETH from this faucet, you have to be logged in. That is when the box will be active. So I'm going to paste my wallet address, then I'm going to tap on send me ETH. 0.5 ETH will be sent to my wallet almost immediately. So I'm going to return to Particle. Then I have chosen Optimism Sepolia. I'm going to enter the amount of ETH that I want to send over to Particle. Out of my 0.5, I want to send 0.2. This is going to get me 595 USDG. So why is it that when you send funds over from any network to Parallel, you are going to get it in USDG? And that is because they are trying to make it possible such that regardless of which chain you are interacting from, you'll be able to pay for gas fee in USDG. For example, whether you are interacting from Sepolia, from arbitrum Sepolia, from Optimism Sepolia, you'll be able to, pay for your gas fee in one token, which is USDG, regardless of the chain. We are still going to make this interaction later. But as of now, you can see that my USDG is yet to reflect in my wallet. So I waited for about 30 minutes. When I am back, I refreshed my browser and let's check my universal wallet again. So in my universal wallet, I now have over 4,000 USDG. Actually, I made 2 more transactions when I paused this video. I made 2 more transactions, and that is why I have over 4,000 USDG. So now I'm going to do task 1 again. I'm going to tap on check-in. You can see my available universal gas is no longer showing 0 but 4,481 USDG. This simply means my transaction is going to go through this time because I now have the gas fee. So the confirm button is now active. I'm going to tap on confirm. So I have to switch over to Optimism Sepolia. Then I'm going to sign. Check-in successful. So you have to come over to this website and then you have to check in daily. For maintaining streaks that you do not break at any point, you are going to get extra points. For my first day of check-in, I earned 100 points. If I maintain a 7-day streak without breaking it, I'll earn 150 points. For maintaining a 14-day streak, I'll earn 200 points. For checking in for 21 days, I'll earn 300. And for maintaining a 28-day streak, I am going to earn 500 points. So we have already done task 2, and that is depositing from ETH into USDG, and I earned 200 points for that. And then we have task 3, which is to use our USDG to transact. So I'm going to tap on open wallet, and this is going to open my universal wallet that was generated for me. So here is my universal account. This testnet actually runs on Optimism Sepolia. If you try to switch the network, you won't be able to use other networks at the moment. So I am going to copy my universal account wallet address. I want to open my MetaMask and then send some Optimism Sepolia ETH over to my universal wallet address because I'll be using it for transaction. So the funds have been sent to my universal wallet. I am here now. It is still showing $0. So I'm going to refresh the browser and then you can see that the funds have arrived in my universal account. So I'm going to tap on the send button. There are 2 tokens that you can send here. You can either send ETH or you can send USDC on Optimism Sepolia, but I only have balance on ETH, so I'll be using ETH. I'll enter the amount of ETH that I want to send. Then I'll tap on send. Next, you are going to receive a prompt to choose where you want to send your gas fee from. Of course, you have to choose USDG, not gasless and not ETH. Then tap on send. You receive a prompt to sign, so tap on sign. Transaction has been submitted to blockchain. So the good thing about this transaction on Particle is that for every transaction that you make, you earn 50 points. And you are allowed to make up to 100 transactions in a day, which means every day if you can make 100 transactions, you are going to earn 5,000 points. So I am making my second transaction. I'll enter wallet address, enter the amount of ETH, and then tap on send. Since you have to be transacting frequently, if you do not want to be pasting your wallet address each time, then just tap on click to add to your address book and then enter a name for it, then tap on save. Now choose where you want to spend your gas fee from. Of course, go for USDG and ignore the rest, then tap on send. Then sign the transaction in wallet. Transaction has been submitted to blockchain. Now I'm going to return to Particle. Now let's check all of my interactions that I have done in this video. I have earned 450 points. In daily check-in, I earned 100 points. While depositing gas fee, I earned 200 points. And so far in task 3, I have done 3 tasks and I earned 150 points. If you add that together, it has given me 450 points. Now, if I maintain 100 transactions today, then that means I am going to have over 5,000 points. Okay, so this is how the particle testnet works. If you have any questions, then drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. You are going to find all the links that I have used in this video in the comment section of this video. I pinned it in the comments, and you can also find it in the video description. And as well, make sure to join us on Telegram, because some updates do not make it to YouTube, especially if it has nothing to do with a video. I often drop them on Telegram and not YouTube, so you want to join us there. Our next tutorial is going to cover analog testnet, and the video is actually ready. I just need to make a few editing, then it will be out either tomorrow Sunday or maximum on Monday. So you would want to subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on that update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.